Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to give VKDB to newborn, full guide. Start by confirming the plan with your newborn's clinician and follow their exact dose and method. Prepare supplies, ensure a calm feeding environment, and have a second caregiver present. Explain the steps to the baby calmly, use gentle restraint during injection, and offer skin contact and feeding immediately afterward to comfort the infant and monitor for any immediate reactions. In this video, I will explain how to give VKDB to newborn, full guide. Administer the recommended dose at birth or as guided by your care team, noting differences for preterm babies. For IM injections, confirm 1 mg for full-term infants unless otherwise directed. If choosing oral vitamin K, follow the multi-dose schedule precisely and set reminders to prevent missed doses. Always document administration and advise parents about expected outcomes and signs to report. In this video, I will explain how to give VKDB to newborn, full guide. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear guides. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, makes a funny but useful companion during late-night feedings and budgeting for baby. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to give VKDB to newborn, full guide. Use a steady hand and simple distraction like a soft voice or gentle touch during the procedure to reduce stress. Swaddle or position the baby properly, expose only the thigh area, clean the site, and perform the injection swiftly and confidently. Afterward, provide skin contact, feeding, and warmth, observe the baby for a short time, and reassure parents about common mild reactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.